Hello, Earthlings. This is Growspire, coming to you from the depths of the coding universe. You may think I'm surrounded by these old computers because I'm a coding geek. Well, you're not entirely wrong. But here's the twist. Coding isn't just for the bespectacled pocket protector sporting geniuses, but for every single one of you. So hold on to your hats as we dive into the world of coding and find out why it's not just for geeks. Remember when coding was like trying to decipher alien language? Not anymore, folks. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. The early days of coding were all about complex machine languages. Picture yourself in the 1940s, hunched over a giant computer, typing in binary code. Fun, right? Fast forward to the 70s, and we've got high-level languages like C and Pascal. They were like the rock stars of their time, but still a far cry from what we have today. Now imagine having to code your social media app in Morse code, or trying to build a website using punch cards. Sounds like a nightmare, doesn't it? But fear not, coding has evolved, and it's now more user-friendly than ever. We've got languages that are as easy as pie, like Java, Python, and JavaScript that let you create apps, websites, and more with just a few lines. So no more Morse code for text messages. Thanks to Van Rossum. Now, have you ever found yourself lost in a maze? Well, coding can help you find the way out. You see, coding isn't just about computing ones and zeros. It's a whole new way of thinking, a method to approach complex problems in life. Just like a maze, a coding problem can be daunting at first. But once you start breaking it down into smaller, manageable tasks, it becomes a fun puzzle to solve. Imagine you're in a labyrinth. You could run around aimlessly, or you could apply coding logic. Start by choosing a direction. Say, right. Keep going right until you hit a dead end. Then backtrack and try another path. This is exactly how coding works. You try a solution, and if it doesn't work, you learn from it and try a different approach. Coding teaches you to think logically, to break down big problems into small ones, and to keep trying different solutions until you find the right one. So coding is like your secret weapon to solving life's puzzles. Think coding is all numbers and no fun? Think again. Coding is like having a magic wand at your fingertips. It's more than just a technical skill. It's a tool for creativity. Imagine being able to design your own video game, or create an app that solves a problem only you've thought of. Or perhaps you'd like to build a website that showcases your unique style and ideas. With coding, you can do all of this and more. It's a bit like learning to paint or play an instrument. At first, you're just copying others, but soon you start to find your own style and voice. You start to create things that are uniquely yours. It's an empowering feeling to know that you've created something from scratch, something that no one else in the world could have made exactly the same way. With coding, your creativity can literally come to life. Want to hack into a world of opportunities? Coding is your magic key. 58% of job vacancies in the digital industry require coding skills these days. Far from being a secluded vocation for computer whizzes, coding is a skill that can unlock a treasure chest of career paths. Whether you fancy yourself as an app developer, a web designer, a tech consultant, or even a video game creator, coding can be your golden ticket. But let's peel back the layers of this binary onion, shall we? Coding isn't just about landing a cushy job in Silicon Valley. It's also about carving your own path. Ever dreamt of being your own boss? Well, coding can make that dream come true. With this skill, you can freelance, working from anywhere, anytime, and on projects that truly excite you. Whether it's web development or app creation, the freelance world is your oyster. Now let's talk about building and monetizing apps. You could be the mastermind behind the next big mobile app, software, or game. Imagine creating something that people around the world use and love, all while earning a tidy sum. But the money-making magic of coding doesn't stop there. Have you ever considered creating digital products? With a bit of coding know-how, you can create themes, plugins, templates, and more, selling them online for a nice slice of passive income. A recent JP Morgan study revealed that digital goods see an annual expenditure of over $54 billion, with projections suggesting growth to $74 billion by 2025. And let's not forget about contributing to open source projects. Open source software powers over 95% of the internet. It's a wonderful way to make a difference, gain recognition, and build a valuable network. Plus, it could lead to paid opportunities. Then there's teaching and creating educational content. You could be the one inspiring the next generation of coders through online courses, tutorials, or ebooks. And yes, you guessed it, you can earn from this too. And finally, let's not overlook tech blogging and vlogging. Sharing your coding journey or expertise through blogs or vlogs can attract sponsorships, ad revenue, and affiliate marketing income. So coding is not just about making money, it's about empowerment, creativity, and opening doors to endless opportunities. So, are you ready to embark on your coding journey? Just imagine, right at your fingertips, the power to create, innovate, and solve complex problems. That's what coding can offer you. It's not just about the potential for a hefty paycheck, though that's certainly a nice bonus. It's about the thrill of creating something from nothing but lines of code, the satisfaction of cracking a tough problem, the joy of seeing your own app come to life. Think about the endless opportunities that can unfold when you start to code. You could develop the next viral game, build a life-changing app, or even create a website that becomes a global sensation. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. And let's not forget about the benefits to your brain. Coding is like a workout for your mind, strengthening your problem-solving skills, sharpening your focus, and boosting your creativity. It's a skill that can benefit you in all areas of life, from school to work to everyday challenges. But most importantly, coding is about empowerment. With this skill, you can bring your ideas to life, make a real impact, and even change the world. It's a tool for self-expression, a means to make your mark on the digital landscape. Remember, coding isn't just for geeks. It's for anyone who dares to dream, create, and change the world. So why not start today?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends.